These are the burgers that we deserve. And once you see what goes into making these at home, you're never going back. Let's get into it. Who doesn't love a good burger? Nobody. But I am sick and tired of these sad, squishy, and sorry ass burger buns. They feel like gum stuck in between your teeth when you eat them. And if you want nice buns, you go to the grocery stores. The prices go like $6, $8, $10 for the gourmet ones, which are pretty much nothing extra. There has to be a better way, and that's what we're here for. So today, we're making our own homemade burger buns, and I have 3 winning criteria for them. 1. They need to look better than store-bought. 2. They need to taste better than store-bought. And 3. They need to be cheaper. All 3 of those, that's a win. Come on, let's do this. Everything starts by simmering sweet potatoes until they're fork tender. Then you're going to measure out 160 grams and mash them until they're extra smooth. The sweet potatoes is going to add a richness and depth taste-wise and also give a rich golden color to the interior. Next, in a bowl, you're going to add 450 grams of bread flour, 9 grams of salt, 25 grams of granulated sugar, and 7 grams of yeast. Give everything a good mix before adding the remaining of the ingredients. Next, you're going to add your mashed sweet potato, 2 whole eggs, 120 grams of lukewarm milk. Now pull out a stand mixer if you have one. If not, you're going to have to work those muscles with a bread whisk. Hook your dough attachment. Set your mixture to knead on low to medium speed for 7 to 8 minutes. Once the dough starts to come together, you're going to gradually add 60 grams of unsalted butter. And make sure it's softened butter. Do not add cold butter. 5 to 10 seconds in a microwave is all you need to soften it up. Once you've added all the butter, you're going to increase the speed to high and let it knead for another 7 to 8 minutes. This is the consistency you're looking for before taking it out of the mixer. Next, on your working surface, dust some flour and take your dough out. You're going to gently knead and fold it to form a nice round shape. If your dough feels too sticky, don't worry. You can dust a little bit of flour just so that you can shape it. Once you're able to shape it as a ball, you're going to oil a glass container and add your dough in. Now here's a quick tip. Grease your hands with some oil and fold the edges of the dough in the bowl. You will be able to form a smooth round dough. Then cover it with some cling film and let it proof for 1 to 2 hours or until the dough has doubled in size. After proofing, give it a good punch to release some of the air, not all of it, and take your dough out again onto the working surface. Now that the dough has relaxed, you will see that it doesn't stick at all. Shape your dough again into a nice round ball. Then you're going to measure your dough and divide it into 6 equal pieces. In this case, my buns are going to be roughly around 140 grams each. Now to shape your buns, using the surface tension and the edge of your palm as such, you're going to roll it around and you'll see it's going to come together into a nice ball. To get that perfect burger bun shape, I'm using these non-stick baking rings. Measure your divided bun and then flatten it out to make it fit. Or you could also place the buns directly into the ring. Once done, you're going to let these proof for another 45 minutes. Then brush them with some egg wash. The egg wash is just egg yolks and a bit of milk. Take your time while brushing the egg wash on top of your burger buns because this is what will give them the perfect golden color. And I am a sesame guy. I like to sprinkle sesame seeds on top of my buns. You can totally omit that if you don't like sesame seeds. And into the oven they go for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Once they're out of the oven, before eating, you're going to let them rest for around 10 minutes at room temperature. Look at how incredible these look. Light, airy, with that beautiful golden crust. They're soft and pillowy, but sturdy enough to hold any burger. Let's slice into one and check out the beautiful crumb structure inside. And there you go, perfectly fluffy and golden. Now of course you need to toast these buns, spread some mayo. I'm gonna add some crispy chicken burger with Swiss cheese. Top it off with a sunny side egg. And there you have a great burger. Look at that, even with all your stuff inside, it still maintains its structure. Now let's validate our criterias. Do these look better than the store-bought ones? Absolutely yes, there's no comparison at all. Criteria number 2, do these taste better than the store-bought one? Oh, there's no doubt about it. The last time I had a burger of this quality, it was in a fine dining restaurant. Now the most important criteria, is it any cheaper? So all ingredients included, we landed at $4.11 for 6 buns, weighing 156 grams each, which brings us to 69 cents per bun. Compared to the store-bought one, we have 6 buns weighing 80 grams each, which lands you at $6.75, bringing us to $1.12 per bun. So the store-bought one are half as heavy as the one we made at home and cost almost double the price for one bun. It's mind-blowing. I think it's pretty clear here which one has the win. It's our homemade burger buns. Now with this win under the belt, I'll leave the recipe down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.